What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got this gorgeous looking EMAS 5 Premium that we have right in front of us here today, and this color is called Quartz Rose. It is a gorgeous looking color. I love the way how the color looks. On the other side, that's the EMAS 7 Premium in the same color as this, Quartz Rose, but today we're going to focus on this. So let us take a walk around to show you guys the exterior, then we're going to jump right into the interior. Let's start off with the front, shall we? So right here we have the amazing DRLs that are looking like this. Now these are the daytime running lights. Your main headlights are located on the inside there. Signal indicator is over here. So I'll turn them on to show it to you guys right now perhaps, so you guys are able to see it. Let's just do this on here, and hazard lights. So let's take a look. So signal indicators are over here as well, and even on this side as well. And that right there is in the LED white light. So everything here looks good, because this is the premium spec. If you were to go for, let's check out the back. If you were to go for the prime variant of the EMAS 5, you will not be getting the LED lights and things like that. It's going to be mostly halogen. You know, it's going to be a yellow light bulb at the front, and this right here will be no light. It'll be in this chrome finish, but over here as well. So that's what it's going to look like. So let's start off with the front. Badging right here as well. This car comes with a 360 camera over here. You also get your number plate holder on this side. This one right here is for cooling purposes, for air to flow through to cool down the battery. Chrome finishing over here. Love the matte texture like design finish over here and over here as well. There's no opening because it's super clean, right? Looks very nice. Front, 70 liters of boot space. I'll open that and show it to you right now. Perhaps it's much more easier. Let's go here. Let's go here, like that. And then we go right here and we just find the latch right here and we push it up. 70 liters of boot space, guys. A lot of things that you can store for the front, because this is a rear wheel drive. So the behind part of the car is one that's turning. So yeah, let's leave that open. Nevertheless, check out the side. Matte-like texture finish at the front, right? Continues all the way to the side. You got your 16-inch wheel. Linglong tires is what they're using. Comfort Master is the name of it. 205 60R16 solid disc brakes on the inside. So this is a proper rim. If you go for the prime variant, you're going to go with the so-called 15-inch plastic cover on the outside, but it's a rim, but it's a 15-inch but with a plastic cover on the outside that you can remove. So underneath right here, you get your matte texture-like finish with this chrome finishing. So kind of cool. I like that. You also get your door handle. It looks like this. Side mirror in black. And you do get your blind spot assist as well on this side, so kind of cool. The half portion of the car, the top and bottom, black top, body colored is down here. If you go for the prime variant, down here follows the top also as well. So yeah, that's how it is. So if you're going for the side right here, amazing blacked out finish. This interior for the Quartz Rose Jade Green together with the marble cream comes with the alabaster white interior, or either flint grey, and this is the flint grey. I believe this is much more easier to maintain, but of course with a brighter interior it makes the car look bigger. So you got this grey finish right here, black finishes all over the place, compartment storage down here, window adjustments over here, speaker right there. Love the stitching with this grey stitching and all this kind of stuff, but manual seats is what's given for this car. So let's hop right in and let's adjust the seat a little bit up. Okay, cool. So dashboard, super clean, super nice. You got your screen right here also as well. Advent adjustments over here, temperature adjustments and aircon, you can do it from here as well, from the screen. Lower it down or things like that. Compartment storage, you keep some stuff. Gear knob over here, 2 cup holders, keep your phone over here. You can charge your devices down here as well, or the cable can just lead up all the way here. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, everything is wireless on this side. So all from here you can see all your settings. Very cool. Love the steering design, we'll get to that shortly. Rear view mirror looks like this. Lighting is up here. You got your roof lining in this color also as well. But nevertheless, let's check out myself sitting in this car. Grey interior together with the blacked out seat belts. Looks very nice. Let's get right down and leave that open. Let's open up the rear doors and check out the space that's hiding on the inside right here. So blacked out finish, grey finish at the side right here, stitching over here, compartment storage down here, and of course you do get your amazing space for the rear of this car. Check this out, guys. Compartment storage down here looks superb, very nice and spacious, guys. So over here, there we go. Seat belts in black and very much spacious. So you get what I mean? Let's jump right into the center. Headroom is good, and down here you get your Advent adjustments, you get your USB-A connectivities and a place where you can charge, keep some stuff. So perhaps while you're charging your phone, you can just keep it right at the rear. So this also, since is a premium variant, as I mentioned, the two-tone colors, the wheel is the difference, together with the steering wheel in a while more. But what's most importantly is the power boot. So the rear part of this car, if it's the prime variant, if you were to press on this, the button right here for the rear boot, it's not going to open up automatically. But if you go for the premium variant, as you can see, it's opening up with a power boot. So that's kind of nice. And this is a locally assembled car right here. So this is given. The CBU unit did not come with this. CKD comes with this. And also the 3-pin plug charger. So that's kind of nice. Power boot button is up here as well. Storage space is superb. You can even fold down the rear seats if you wish to. Let's try doing that right now. Check that out. Check out the space, guys. Now this can come off if you wish to. Pull this right down again. Check that out. Amazing storage space. A lot of things that you can store. Now this can come off. Not to worry about that. This can come off. Don't worry about that. So let's take a look at the driver's side. Of course, steering wheel, love the round top and the flat bottom, so that's damn cool. Love the stitching on the inside part right here, looks really good as well. And also, if you're looking at the cruise control on this side, given, very nice indeed. Love the gear on this side, brake pedals down there, accelerator pedals, handbrake over here. Very nice setup, guys, superb. Now this is me sitting comfortably at the front. Looks good, feels good, everything is good about this car, man. You're going up to 325 kilometers for this car, and it's a rear wheel drive, so handling is superb. Just check out how gorgeous this car looks with the doors open and everything open. Interior grey, quartz rolls on the outside, 16-inch wheels, LED lights at the front. This car looks absolutely amazing. Let's close this. Check it out. Check that out, guys. Now if you're looking forward to get this car, this place is located all the way in level 2, Pavilion, Bukit Jalil. Now for those of you not seen this place, quite easy. Pavilion, Bukit Jalil, there are 3 models on display. We have got the EMAS 7, EMAS 5, together with the Galena Grey PHEV EMAS 7. So everything here is fantastic, guys. So if you'd like to find out more, do visit the place down here. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you can see you guys in this car. See you in the next video.